In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Notion efficiently and quickly. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will help you manage your images like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and have access to your workspace. If you're not already logged in, open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Notion website, and click on the Log In button. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your Notion home. Once at the Notion home, locate the specific page where you want to resize the image. This could be a wiki, a document, or any project space you're working in. When you've found the right page, open it by clicking on it. With the page now open, look for the image you want to resize. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through your page until you locate the image. Once you've found it, click on the image. This will activate a selection mode, allowing you to interact with the image directly. Now that you've selected the image, you'll notice handles or small squares appear around its edges. These handles are your tools for resizing the image. To adjust the size, click and hold on one of the handles. While holding down the click, drag the handle inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. You'll see the proportions adjust in real time as you do this, allowing for precise control over the size. As you drag, pay attention to how the image fits within your page layout. It's important to ensure that the image is not only the right size, but also fits well with the surrounding content. If you're working with multiple images, consider the visual balance between them to maintain a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing design. Once you're satisfied with the new size of your image, release the handle to set it in place. Your changes will be automatically saved in Notion, so there's no need to worry about losing your adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully resized an image in Notion. This simple process can greatly improve the presentation and effectiveness of your pages. Remember, resizing isn't just about making an image smaller or larger. It's about enhancing your content's impact and ensuring that your visual elements support your message effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from learning how to manipulate images in Notion. Until next time, happy Notioning!